Are you looking for the best printer for screen printing? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon Pixma Pro 100. You think printers, you think the name Canon. They sort of come simultaneously. Similarly, the Pixma Pro 100 from Canon is a great choice when looking for a printer for transparencies. Created to print out pictures that resemble reality, this printer packs a lot of features you will appreciate. First of all, you get true monochrome prints. This is to say that even your black and white prints will have life, thanks to the 3 monochrome inks provided in the system. It has black, gray and light gray to create deep and enhanced results. The Optimum Image Generating or OIG system is truly a unique feature you get here. This technology lets the printer calculate results for each print by judging the paper type and print mode to be used. It also checks other factors such as tonal graduations, low graininess, color reproduction, uniform glossiness, and black density. With the technological experience Canon has, it uses it all to recreate the perfect print that does not lack in any way or form. The printer also sports 2-way paper feeding. It comes with a rear tray and a dedicated manual feed at the back. You also get computer-free printing, where you can print your desired documents or photos directly from a digital camera. The AirPrint on the other hand lets you print these from your iPhone or MacBook without using any driver. Number 2. Epson Expression ET 2750. If you are looking for a printer that does little damage to the planet, this Expression ET 2750 from Epson should be on your radar. One of the finest qualities of this printer include the EcoTank. These tanks are bigger as size, so you do not need to buy cartridges over and over again. Users love how they do not have to change their cartridges as much, and we all know how expensive that can be. So besides saving the planet, you also save cash, thanks to this advanced technology by Epson. The 1.44-inch color display helps you with your navigation. This also makes it easy to use, even if you are not tech-savvy. The replacement ink bottles are the star of the show, as they carry enough to print a lot. By a lot we mean 6,500 pages in black and white, and 5,200 in color. Now that is a lot of pages. Nowadays a lot of us like to print directly from our phones or tablets. It simply makes the task easier and faster, whereas connecting and transferring takes a good while. Well, you get mobile printing on this device as well, making it all the more better. Lastly, this printer does not only let you print, but also has scanning and copying features you can use for your daily work. Number 3. Epson Workforce WF7710. The Epson Workforce WF7710 is powered by Precision Core and is an all-in-one printer for your everyday printing needs. You might have seen a difference in prints at home and professional shops, but you won't with this one. Making sure to give the topmost quality prints, thanks to its high optical resolution of 4800 by 2400 dpi, you only get real-life-like prints. Besides, it also features borderless printing, which brings your photos to life. If you want a printer that is economical, this is a must check out. For it uses up to 80% lower power than most other color laser printers on the market. Next we have the versatile paper handling. This has got to be one of the annoying parts of printing, but thanks to the features on this device, it's not anymore. First of all, there is the 250 sheet tray along with a rear feed for your specialty paper. Then you also get a 125 sheet output tray. Together these help to speed up your work, while you can relax. Two-sided print is a much-needed feature in printers today, especially when you have a lot of papers to go through. Thankfully, you get this feature, but not only for printing, but for scanning and copying as well. This makes it super efficient and saves a lot of your time. Number 4. HP OfficeJet Pro 7740. First of all, this printer from HP, the OfficeJet Pro 7740, is more than your average printer. It is an all-in-one that comes with a scanner and copier built in. It enables you to do more with less, saves time, space as well as money. Enabling AirPrint, this lets you print our documents and pictures straight from your Apple devices. You do not have to connect them. You also get mobile printing, enabled Trough, the HP ePrint app. You can use your Google Cloud Print to send commands to the printer without being around it at all times. The color touchscreen on top makes operating this a breeze and is a lifesaver for those who are not tech-savvy. Two-sided duplex printing means you do not have to manually flip sides to print, but can do it in one go. This saves your paper as well as time. Simply put in the command, and do other work while this completes on its own.